second engine room. Pioneer fuel oil pre-fire. Spreading over. Copy, carry the buffer, over. Engine room fire confirmed. Captain, vessel sailing coastal waters, over.
Stop engine. Sound general alert. Master fire team inform engine room to isolate and ventilation.
Fire foam at base of fire, over.
Captain,
For escalating foam attack ineffective. Please off structural damage increasing, over.
all teams, withdraw boundary cooling.
Continue, over.
All crew, accounted for.
All present, Chief.
Fire team, internal attack with foam branch. Third officer, start main fire pump and confirm pressure.
Main pump running, pressure setting at 8 bars.
Engine room, confirm the status of fuel and electrical isolation, over.
Fuel peak closing bar shot. Ventilation stop, over.
Understood, over. AB, temperature check.
Captain, 30 degree na bawal collapsing, over.
Water temperature rise.
Achieve po rin.
Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you alright?
He is unconscious, no normal breathing detected, over. Start CPR immediately.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. (2028), 2029, 2030.
Right.
Captain, for intensifying, keep increasing rapidly, over. Backup, ready for boarding. Go ahead, over.
Retreat, fire not responding, over. What is the
Captain, engine room personnel confirmed, evacuated, head down, verified, over. Captain, temperature still rising. Fire possibly spreading beyond the initial compartment, over.
Understood. Evacuate engine room, over. Copy. Retreat from fire fighting. Continue boundary cooling, over. Second officer, send the stress immediately.
Copy. Mayday. This is Revibella. This is Revibella. Outside. Delta uniform hotel 3456. Delta uniform hotel 3456. Delta uniform hotel 3456. Our position 12 degrees 45 minutes north. 122 degrees 30 east. We have our controlled engine room path. Enable the content for CO2. Establish that the fire remains active. We are on the ship. With the require emergency assistance, there are 12 crew members on board, over.
Mayday. Ambigella. This is Ambicora. Call sign, Delta, Uniform, Hotel, 6789. This is Mayday. We are proceeding to your position. Estimated time of arrival, 35 minutes, over.
Mayday relay. This is motor vessel Tula. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel 9012. Receive distress message from motor vessel Bella. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel 3456. Vessel reports uncontrolled engine room fire and abandoning ship. Position 12 degrees 45 minutes north. 122 degrees 30 minutes east. 12 crew members on board require immediate assistance. Any ghost station or vessel in vicinity, please respond. Over.
Second officer, press the button general alarm. Then prepare for the abandoned ship.